Hello everybody, we're the Salazars. My name is Joel Salazar, this is Alma Salazar, and this is Natalia Salazar. And today we're going to be doing our solar eclipse model and craft for you guys. And together as a family, we all like to create and do our own special things and with art. Me in particular, I like to do videos and I like music. And Natalia, what do you like to do?
I like to do sketching. Like a lot of times I'll do realism, and sometimes I make YouTube videos, and I paint sometimes. So I really just like doing anything that's creative.
Alma, what do you like to do?
I like sketching.
Sketching? And isn't there something else you like to do? Like, oh, you like making comments and stuff, right? And don't both of you do fan fiction stuff or no?
Yeah.
What is it called?
We just come up with some stories.
Yeah, but you act them out and you play and you come up with storylines. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's about
See?
one of our interests.
Well, everybody, we like to create as a family. You two like to create as a family. That's great.
Yeah, we're always playing with each other.
We're creating right now, and so we're excited to show you. Natalia and Alma are excited to show you this crafted model. So you all enjoy and check it out.
Hi, we're the Salazar sisters. I'm Natalia. And today we're going to be doing the sun, earth, and moon spinning model. So you're going to need scissors, glue, split pins, and colors. Now we're going to color the sun, earth, and moon. Now that we're finished coloring, we're going to cut out all of the pieces very carefully. Alright, now we're going to need to join A to the center of the sun with a split pin. So what this means, you take a split pin, you get the sun, and you see the center right there, and you see A right there. You put A behind the center, and then you poke this through the middle. And then if it's through the middle here, you go through the middle with A. And then you split these two like that so they can get together. Yep, just like that. Now that we've joined the center of the sun to A, we're going to join the earth, B, and C using the same steps we just did. So you're going to cut a little hole through there. Do that with C. Do that with the middle of the earth. And then get this and put them together. And that's what it should look like too. It can look like either one of these. Now, the last step is to glue the moon to the marked spot, which is right on the end here. And this is what your final production should look like. Now that we've finished making the model, now I can show you how it works. So this model is of the Earth revolving around the sun and the moon revolving around the Earth. Sometimes the moon actually blocks the Earth's view of the sun, creating the solar eclipse. So this model shows the revolvation of the Earth and the Moon around the Earth. Thank you for watching our video. We're looking forward to seeing you again in real life doing this, like physically. Bye.